Are you ready to unearth the secrets of soil types? Today, we explore sand and clay soils. These two types of soil dramatically affect gardening, construction, and agriculture. Let's dive into how to distinguish between them with a simple visual test. First, let's identify the problem. Knowing your soil type is crucial. It helps in selecting the right plants, managing drainage, and understanding nutrient availability. So, how do we differentiate them easily? Here's a simple method. Gather a sample from your garden or yard. Ensure you have clean, dry containers for each soil type. Begin by taking a handful of the soil, separating it into two parts, one for sand and one for clay. This will help us analyze them side by side. Now, grab a clear glass or jar. Fill it halfway with water. Add equal parts of each soil sample to the jar. Swirl it around gently. This will mix the soils and water, allowing us to observe their characteristics. Soon you'll notice a major distinction. Sand particles are large and heavy. They settle quickly at the bottom. Clay particles are much smaller and lighter. They take longer to settle compared to sand. This visible separation is key. Let's break down what you're seeing. The sand forms a distinct layer at the bottom. It's gritty to the touch, and water drains through it easily. Clay, on the other hand, will create a cloudier layer above the sand. It feels sticky when wet, holds moisture, and drains poorly. Try thinking of it like this: sand acts like a sponge, allowing water to pass quickly through. Clay functions more like a blanket, trapping moisture inside. This difference is vital for gardening. Sand is great for plants needing well-drained soil, while clay is beneficial for moisture-loving plants. To summarize, you can quickly identify sand and clay soil with a simple visual test. By mixing soil samples with water, you'll see distinct layers forming. This easy method can help you understand your garden better and lead to healthier plants. Now you know how to tell sand and clay apart. Grab your soil samples and conduct your test today. Discover the best soil for your gardening needs. Let's make your garden thrive. Abonnez-vous.